美国 NBA 职业篮球联赛爆出跋筊拍假球的买贷，有超过30人互抓起来。好，球季才拄开始拍，就出这落代志。新马联盟已经甲涉案的球员甲教练停职配合调查。
面对记者提问无讲话，美国职业 NBA 拓荒者队总教练比拉普斯确定了伫律师陪同行出法院。迈阿密烈火队后卫罗齐尔伫客场出赛进前，也伫奥兰多的饭店互抓，因为涉及一件甲欧邦相关的非法博缴案。
This is an illegal gambling operation and sports rigging operation that spanned the course of years. The FBI led a coordinated takedown across 11 states. To arrest over 30 individuals today responsible for this case, which is very much ongoing.
联邦调查局长亲自说明，有几啊名 NBA 现役甲退休球员涉嫌达到几啊年的非法博缴活动，其中名人堂求请比拉普斯以伊的名气吸引缴客算客一网，可利用电工透视动缴。烈火队后卫罗齐尔涉嫌协助锁定投注算的人操控比赛，2023年这场比赛，伊一个人就场9分外钟都受伤落场，互怀疑来控制伊的比赛数据。
The non-public information included when specific players would be sitting out future games, or when they would pull themselves out early for purported injuries or illnesses. They relied on corrupt individuals, including Jones and Rozier. They also misused information obtained through long-standing friendships that they had with NBA players and coaches.
罗齐尔律师否认指控，强调伊的当事人毋捌加受伤，也是向任何人透露这件代志。学者指出，最近几年北比四大这个运动已经有几啊名球员因为博缴方处罚，这件案件也为拄啊开幕的新球季打上乌影。
That ensnared in all of this sports betting are active athletes and to an extent coaches with their unique and inside information that can be leveraged by bettors, some with ties to organized crime. That has all happened, and I guess my answer to you is I'm a little surprised we haven't seen this before.
两份起诉书会伫布兰克林、奥兰多甲波特兰等地继续进行。司法部讲调查由原的扩大 ，NBA 发声明强调比赛公信力至上，已经将2个人停职，佮全力配合调查。专家讲，所有的联盟恐惊爱强化内部规范，加强教育，特别是针对内部资讯控管。公司新闻台为您编译。